I'm going to share two accounts with you for you to see how the RPM of the account is and also to know how much it pays. If you pay attention to this video, if you pay attention to it, it's $3,173.25. After a while, the post wasn't consistent. Sometimes 4 days missed out, no post, 3 days missed out, no post. Because of that, the account started dropping. But so far so good. If you notice here, the first month, April made $1,325. May made $1,147, and this is June. Ongoing June is $700. This is as of 25th of June. So currently it's even more than that because I wanted to record this video a few days, but I got interrupted by work, so I'm just recording it. This is the money this particular channel has made so far, and this is about 3,000 plus that it has made. Imagine you doing this, like, just give it a try. Just give it a try. You might not regret it. So far you are consistent. All you need to do is you being consistent, picking the right niche. If you notice, let's check back the RPM. If you notice the RPM of this account, if you notice, the RPM is $3. It's even dropped. You know one thing about RPM, you cannot dictate it. This month you might have higher RPM, next month you have lower RPM. The second account I'm going to share with you notice that it's even up to like $5 upward. So sometimes it will be high, sometimes it will drop based on the audience that have taken charge. It depends on the audience that took charge of your video at the moment. Sometimes it might be US, sometimes it might be Philippines, sometimes it might be South Africa, sometimes it might be any country. But the moment US have dominated in the account for that moment, because you can come this week, you will see $3. You can come next week, you will see $15. You can come the upper week, you will see something different. So it doesn't have, your account does not have a very stable RPM that is working with. It might be this month might be another country, the other month might be another country, this week might be another country, the other week might be another country too. So that is why you notice this RPM is $3. So in the next account we are going into, I'm still going to share that with you. So sometimes your target audience matters, because no matter how it drops, no matter how bad it drops, it's not going to be too bad that it will be Nigerian RPM based on the kind of content you are creating. If you are creating content that is targeting outside country, you make more money. But if you are creating content that is targeting African country, you will not make more money, because our own RPM is really poor. Our own RPM is really poor. So these are the things that make your money to look to be more. Basically, these are the things that make your money to be more. I'm supposed to record this content inside, but I have to come outside because I don't have the energy to wait for them to bring light back. This particular channel is just 5 months old, 5 months or 4 months plus old. It stays for 1 month plus before it got monetized, and yeah. So now let's go straight into the second account. All I want to do today is just for me to share accounts with you and how much they have made so far. Stay with me.